Welcome to this video on Samsung Audio Eraser, a new guide to Galaxy AI sound editing. We'll explore how this tool can transform your video and audio content. We've all experienced how easily background noise can ruin a video. Wind, crowds, and other bad audio can break great moments, making your original voice hard to hear. Meet Samsung Audio Eraser. Powered by Galaxy AI, this tool lives inside the Samsung Gallery and allows users to easily remove bad sound from their videos. The AI Prism separates sound layers using digital signal processing to identify frequencies. Machine learning sorts the audio, ensuring the original voice remains clear. Audio Eraser targets specific sounds. Galaxy AI isolates the speaker's voice, stops low-frequency wind buffering, dampens background crowd chatter, and removes unwanted background music. Premium hardware meets premium AI. This feature is supported by the Galaxy S Series, Z Series, and Premium Tab S Series devices, running on One UI 6.1 or higher. Users start edits instantly. Just open Samsung Gallery, tap the edit icon, select the audio eraser icon, and the AI will analyze your track. Users control the mix with volume sliders, adjusting the voices and background sounds. You can preview the sound in real time and save a copy of the edited video. One UI 7.0 expands the power of the AI. It strips away room hums in Voice Recorder, clarifies recorded lectures in Samsung Notes, and dampens loud music in the YouTube Quick Panel. The auto button fixes sound instantly. For perfect audio, try these pro tips. Keep speakers within 6 feet. Avoid dropping sliders to extreme 0%, and consider wearing Galaxy Buds 3 Pro for precise editing. Samsung leads the market. The Audio Eraser is exclusive to Galaxy devices, offers unlimited video length, and is included for free, setting it apart from competitors. Agentic AI defines the future. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, users can speak commands to Bixby, and the AI will autonomously execute edits without manual slider adjustments. Audio Eraser offers the ultimate sound studio experience with pro quality, zero cost, and ultimate ease. It removes technical barriers so your story can shine. Explore the Galaxy AI experience and how the Audio Eraser can help you. Thank you for watching this video.